be on this side of it.
Look at it. It is awfully high.
Hold up.
Right, hold on. Yeah, let me stand right here and see if I can get it off.
Stay on it.
We got the...
You videotaping it?
Uh-huh.
Well, we need something to laugh at.
Came on out of there as far as motors go, really, I mean.
Pain in the ass.
Yeah,
No kidding.
wait till you get... Alright, we got something on this side too. Oh, slave cylinder. Damn.
We'll cut the damn one.
Yeah, should try to take that off when we had it up there. It would have been good.
You can cut the damn one.
That braided, yeah.
That's a big looking V6 just hanging up on the.
Well, it's all that stuff hanging. That thing's little.
Right there. Yeah, when it's all torn apart, it is. When everything's on it, it just looks big, though.
Pain in the ass.
Holy shit! That's a big bunch of
I bet it was.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if you'll be able to do anything with him or not. I got some clients, but they got a place in them over here. And,
Uh-oh.
that was me. I put my weight over there. Man, them things right there ain't fun. Yeah. How much am I getting paid for this? Let's see. One beer. You drink beer?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Start going?
We should have all the weight on it, I mean.
Get it up, drag it out of the way with the truck. Drag the car out the way, so I don't do that.
I don't mind dragging the car, it's just this lid. This is getting heavy as hell.
Yeah. Yeah, you got a lot of weight there. See if you can set it down right there. Hold on.
Well, want me and you to pick it up and swing it? Oh man, that helped my weight out.
Oh, alright, see if you can set it down real easy right there. We're going to set it right on the corner of the car there, hopefully. Real slow, don't let it off the track. It's going to move on you. It's going to stay. It's going to slide to that corner. Just real easy. Hang on. Don't let too much off.
Alright, we don't need to come down no more.
See, now you want to swing them legs out and then slide that boom in. Well, I don't know you're going to need the height when you slide them legs out.
Well, let's just jack it up one more time. It's out now. Hang it out now. And then we swing it around and load it on this truck.
Get it high enough.
Why?
I mean, you might. You're going to run out of jack. I mean, all you got to do is pick it up and move the car. You ain't going to roll that motherfucker.
Yeah, well, that truck. All the wheels is pointing in the right way. Well, you won't be.
Motherfucker will flip your hell out here on this hill, man. With that motor way up there like that.
Yeah. Let's jack it up and
I mean, you jack it up and see if you can spin it around this way.
spin it around, yeah.
You know, maybe if we can get it to balance right here, you might be able to just set a tailgate down and slide that motherfucker in the tailgate in the bed of the truck. We'll get it set right there. That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Jack it back up. See how high you can go. Don't worry about it. Unless you want to do that one side of it.
Not much of a lag.
That's all of the extension on this thing.
Yeah, I thought it was
I thought it was longer.
That'll help them. You'd be surprised how much
It'll
that
help a
is.
little bit.
Yeah.
Jack it on up, see how high you can get it.
See how high you can get. This is as high as
Oh.
I'm lifting my Fiero GT with this thing, so I've been able to put a motor in it, so it shouldn't be
Hard to put one in your gold car now.
one of it.
I was moving my weight back to his side. See if you can grab that. There.
Go high.
Hey, hey. It's almost
You
on
gonna
the...
do it.
Keep
Come
going.
on, come on up a little more.
I was trying to
Oh,
help
easy,
you.
easy.
Oh,
Set it down.
Uh-oh, that couldn't be good.
easier. That's about going to set it like you was talking about.